Hey there. Will here with a Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro unboxing. I've already taken off the little tabs, the sealers. I like that these don't come shrink wrapped anymore, but they are a real pain to actually unbox. And I don't know if I can get my finger. There we go. Ooh, and there we go. That is really nice. That's a good size. And that is a Samsung Galaxy Bud Pro 3. That's a really nice looking earbud. So that is the unboxing of these. It's a really nice case, straight off the bat. Very well designed, really pocketable, very compact, very feels good in the hand. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm gonna set these up, I'm gonna listen to them, and then I'm gonna tell you what I think.